how to enable Telegram sensitive content. So look guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable Telegram sensitive content. First thing you're going to do is you go to your search button and search for Telegram web. Then after you click Telegram, you click Telegram web, then you log in and put your number here. And after I'm putting your number, just make sure you log in. And after logging in, as you can see, 7 So guys, after logging in, you go to settings, this three corner right here, you click settings, then you go to privacy, and you scroll the way down, you see this sensitive content, so then you click enable. Then you close the Telegram page and you open it back again. Then boom guys, it's working now, as you can see. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.